I'm done already drinking wine. Tapos na rin po ako mag-party. Tapos na rin po ako magwalwal. Only wine I drink, guys, because I know my body. Wine is fine. I don't drink hard alcohol. It's because I feel I'm dying. Especially I have allergy. It's not, I tried hard alcohol before, but it's really bad, just really bad. So for me, I only drink wine. Most of the time I drink is Baileys, everyone, because Baileys, it's, my body, it's okay. And I don't want that, there's something happen to me, because I know it already, that hard alcohol is not good for me. Then I will drink. So I am the one, I am the one that have responsibility to myself. Hindi yung alcohol kailangan mag-adjust sa katawan ko. Ako po talaga. So, ayan po. Puno na po ang boat. So, we're ready to go. Napapansin ko lang po, guys, na ang Thailand nag-o-offer ng huge just for enjoying life. Like this one, yun na beach club. Nasa gitna po kami ng karagatan, guys. And not only for that, meron din po silang in-offer na you can enjoy life. Meron po din po sila nung, swimming pool on the top of the building, something like that. Meron po sila. So ibig kong sabihin, sana ang ating bansang Pilipinas bigyan ng kapital ang tourism para mas madami pa pong ma-attract na pumunta sa bansang Pilipinas. Kasi kita nyo naman po sa boat pa lang ng Thailand, napakaganda po ng kanilang boat. So I'm not really sure, because hindi ko po alam kung meron po talagang magkatulad po sa Thailand yung Pilipinas na huge boat, and yung mga pwedeng kasi